welcome to the Strike Fam. And today we're going to be doing simple, easy, not very hard, but a little hard domino runs. Don't mind if they fall. I have bigger arms than my brother, so he's really good at doing it. He does practices at school. So let's get started. Okay, guys, the first thing we're going to do is dump all of our dominoes off. And you have to grab a pack that at least has 91 dominoes. Very important to have a lot of dominoes, else you won't be able to make any or play with your friends. So my brother's gonna lay them out, and he's gonna go grab a towel, right, Jack? He's gonna go grab a towel, and he's gonna dry all these off because my sister threw them in the pool earlier. They smell like fart now, so gross. And I'll tell you, I'm gonna use a few of them, and I'm gonna use 4 of them and show you what you're gonna do. So the first thing you're gonna do is grab one very carefully. Just put it on like that. Then you're just gonna stack one right behind it, and do one very simple like that. Just keep going. Just keep swimming. Keep swimming. And then we're gonna touch one, and it's gonna go down like that. Let me show you one that goes like the way you guys are facing, so you guys could see it. That one does it. That's what I mean. And we're just gonna do like this. Look, it's gonna do like that. Very simple. And my brother is gonna lay them out very neatly on there. Okay, so I'm just gonna use a few. Is that okay? Yes. And you could do like, if you're really good at it and you practice, you could do like a circle. And you, like me and my brother, we've been practicing for a lot of days.
I could almost make the number 8 with it.
Yeah, he actually could. Not almost. He could. I'm gonna show you how to make a circle. It's pretty easy. You just have to curve yours a little bit. So
if you're just practicing,
just do a line at least 10 times,
or just do
2 times a day,
or just do a line and use 10 dominoes.
I'm gonna show you guys what my brother means. So instead of an 8, I'm doing a 6 for my brother's birthday. He's doing really good on dominoes, actually. It's fine. And we're gonna finish the sticks. And it's kind of like a B.
Since it's like that, you gotta kind of make it longer up here.
Yeah, like that. Oh, okay, ready? Who wants to watch the 6 go down? Can you hold it? Hold the thing? Or do you Jack set the dominoes?
No, I wanna.
Okay.
I wanna.
Ready? Oopsies, didn't really work. It's kind of hard to make curves, but making a circle is pretty easy. So my brother's gonna dry these off very well. And I'm gonna do some quizzes for you guys. And okay, so fun fact about dominoes. This set, if you get this set, it's weird. How you play a domino game is you get you have to have a train. And it's very funny. And because that's how you actually play with dominoes. And the best thing about dominoes, fun fact about dominoes, stop it, hon. The best thing about dominoes is, 3D shapes, some of you know about them. This one looks like a 3D shape because it has extra sides and looks like rectangle. Actually, it's not a rectangular prism. It's just a rectangle. Because if you look at it down here, it is a square. And whenever it's split, so then if you break these apart, if you would have break these apart, that wouldn't be a cube. be a square. So, because cubes have to be fat and have the long sides and faces. But if you don't have that, just a square. That's really cool, right? I know the sun is. And if you don't understand what dominoes is, they're supposed to just help you with counting. And actually, it really helps. And yeah, it's really cool. You have to, sorry, let me do something. You have to iron over here so you can fold the blanket over. Okay, and we're about to get started. We have 5 easy ways. If I didn't say that, I don't know if I did. I don't have good memory. And he'll even clean off this after it's stinky. Okay. You guys comment down below in the link in description of what you think we should do for our next video with dominoes. Maybe we should make we could do a number video. We can make all numbers with dominoes and have a competition with me and my brother. Maybe an animal one. Maybe any of that. Or shapes. Comment down below in the link description. Okay, and we're going to grab all these dominoes. And we're going to make this simple one first. Just for you guys to know what these are. We're going to make a 15 domino line. So we're going to get 15 dominoes and make a line with them. Okay, and we're just going to show you how it works. If you're really good at it, you guys should challenge yourself and use a marble. Those are pretty hard to use.
What are marbles?
Marbles are like little balls.
Oh.
Yeah, it's pretty hard. You push one down with a marble. Okay, we're going to show you. I'm going to push it down because my brother always pushes it down. Nope. And 3, 2, 1. That's perfect. That's the thing you have to do. It's pretty easy, but at least do it for 3 years. Or if you've been practicing a lot, maybe if you've been practicing for at least 2 months, maybe a year. But you have to practice for a year until you do Pokemon ones, Ninja Turtle, fill up the whole room. Do not try that. We can't do it, and we've done it for 2 years. So yeah. We're gonna do, how about we do some shapes? That'd be cool, right?
No, what's this?
Oh, yeah. Okay, we're gonna make some, this is the hard, easy ones. You can make obstacles for it, a blanket fort on top of it. And then you could make squiggly lines. That's what we're gonna do right now.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we're gonna watch my brother. It's a little bit of a struggle for him. I'll just push these over like that. And he's gonna do a squiggle, not that one yet. They're just, okay. And we're gonna be over here just sitting and waiting for a little bit. Are you almost done? No. Okay. It's gonna take him a little while. He's gonna do 20 dominoes.
Also.
No, 20 for now. Because you're doing a really cool one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So look.
This one is sideways.
9 more.
This one's sideways. So I'm gonna do 2 sideways ones. All these. I'm gonna do some sideways ones. Like this.
That's cool. No, Jack, no. Not sideways.
Why? It'll work.
Okay. If it doesn't work, we're not doing that again. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna use some other ones and show you guys some easy ones. He's gonna work on a really cool one for the end of the video. It's a surprise for you guys. He's gonna do a million squiggly one. I'm just gonna use a few. No, not like a million. Idiom. But I'm gonna be doing like this much. I'm gonna make like shapes for you guys. Or what did I say earlier? Not animals. Maybe like cool squiggly lines I can make for you guys. Oh, okay. I'm gonna make some shapes. So let's see if we can make a circle. Let's see if we could. See if we can make a little circle.
4 lines that way.
I'm gonna try this. See if this will work. Yep, perfect.
This will be actually a little hard.
There we go. We're gonna do some easy
Why is
ones.
there so much hair in my leaf?
We're gonna do simple one. A simple one. How about we do? Think of a 4-sided shape. Try to think which one I'm thinking of. Okay, and we're good. Let's see if this would work, cause
Summer, look. Summer. Starting will be from up here.
but how will that?
I guess no.
Maybe it'll like fall on it.
Like from like here.
Okay.
Yeah, it'll like fall on it.
Okay, I'm gonna make like a cool. I'm gonna see if it'll work for Jack. Okay, that's perfect. And
Look,
guys,
it'll work.
for the end, we're about to end this video, sadly.
Not gonna end it so soon.
Because we have another video to make and you guys to get to bed. Okay, we're gonna watch Jack do his, he's gonna finish using all these dominoes. No, I'm gonna take over, he's gonna show you some shapes.
Guys, we're going. No, we're not taking over.
No,
I'm just going to tell them something.
Okay, tell him.
Guys, we're gonna press play and when we're done pressing play.
Okay, and he's gonna make the Big Dipper. Yeah, he's gonna make the Big Dipper. Okay, and then like that. Oh, that almost knocked it down. And that's good. That's good for that part. We're gonna actually. Okay. He's got some handled. I know. How about I go show you guys something that we'll show you for the next video that we're gonna do. Super cool. So let's take you guys over to the Pokemon Land. Let's see if this is charged. Nope. Okay. And this is what we're gonna do for our next video. We got them all set up. And we've been working on something really cool. So stay tuned for the next video. And you guys will have a lot of fun watching. Maybe like 45 minutes. So for the next video, just make sure you grab a snack. And yeah, it will be out in a few days. And it's super cool. Bye for now.
Next video, grab a snack and relax.
Yeah, it's gonna be long. It's gonna be like 45 minutes, almost a whole car ride to Jellystone. Actually, maybe that's how much it is. And yeah. We're gonna go show you what he's been working. Well, we're gonna show you one of the best cards, and I have it for. I'm gonna do a little tour, and I have the 3 best cards ever. These are 3 Pikachus. There's Pikachu Mega something, and these could take other people's damages and health and put it in their thing. It's really cool, and it could do 1,000 damage. Okay, and yeah, we got that all handled, and yeah, and I'm super excited.
And can I show you guys my cards?
That was still a little creepy, Jeff. Wanna bring one up?
Here, we're gonna bring you back to the dominoes. Here, you guys are back to the dominoes.
Okay, and we're back. Okay, I'll give you 5 more seconds, dude.
What?
10 more seconds. 1 more minute. That's 6. No,
To finish this whole thing up,
30 seconds.
I'm gonna use all these. Okay?
Okay. All of these.
No, I'm gonna use those.
Okay, this is gonna take a little while. No more doing cool tricks for fun.
I
Let's do
know.
like straight things. We don't know if it's even gonna work, so we've never tried this. Well, I've never tried this, but we've been playing for a long time. And to do this, you can't use pebbles, anything else, or dice. Dominoes, these are perfect because you have to stand them up, and they're 3D. Well, like I said earlier, they're not really 3D, but whenever you cut them in half, yeah. So we need them to stand up, so that's what we need to do. Stop. Now you're gonna curve it like that and connect it to, then you're gonna curve it over here, and it's gonna go right here. So this domino right here.
No, but this is starting over there.
Okay, we're gonna do something really cool. So it's gonna go like this, and that.
We're gonna use these ones for over here, and these are gonna turn.
Turn around.
Yeah, this
To here, on this, right here.
No!
Okay.
You gotta help me with some.
Okay. We're gonna do. Okay, you guys stay there. Just give me a 30 seconds. Jackie, he could do this. I'll do the rest of it. Let's connect this. At least it didn't do the whole thing. Let's not do any curvy ones like this. We're just gonna do normal. Okay, I test if it does. Okay, we'll cut this video. We'll add it to our next video. So bye.